Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm at Astoria Tower, a pet-friendly, full-amenity building in the South Loop, looking out over the lake in Grant Park and what's going to be one of the best views in Chicago of the Lollapalooza Music Festival. And I'm coming around to show you just this incredible view of the Chicago skyline. This huge wraparound terrace that really exposes you to a 270-degree view of the awesomeness of Chicago. And it truly is, and you truly feel it from up at this height. Just look at the amount of space you have here. It just goes on and on and on. It's a wow kind of space with wow kind of views. Let's head inside for a look at the apartment. When you step inside from the terrace, you're looking at a very functional, very efficient kitchen with a large breakfast bar island, black polished counters, stainless steel appliances, there's a gas range, maple tone cabinetry, 42-inch uppers, and as you look around at this really spacious living dining area, you're looking at ceilings that soar up to, I'm guessing, 12 feet, maybe a little bit above that. And you have windows that are looking out to the west that are going to give you great sunset views. Looking out to the north with the skyline. And as I stand back in a corner, you can appreciate the scale of this room. They're genuine hardwood floors, not vinyl, that extend throughout the living areas. And the two bedrooms are carpeted. The master bedroom faces east and north, has a separate opening out to the terrace. You can wake up to the sunrise from this view. Master bath, double bowl vanity, attractive tile. There's both a steeping tub and a stall shower. And in every direction, these jaw-dropping views. It's a very large walk-in closet in the master. Bedrooms are separated, which is great for privacy, for roommates, for couples who keep different hours. Looking at the spot where you would have entered, where there's a coat closet off to the left there. Full-size washer dryer, exactly where you want it, away from the main living and sleeping areas. Guest bath, second bath. This wide vanity with a wide mirror, and again a steeping tub. Second bedroom is generously sized, has a wall of closets, and plenty of space for furniture. You have a terrific location here. You have a building that has an indoor pool, a nicely equipped fitness center, 2 decks for recreation, but you're not going to want to spend much time on the common decks when you have your own and you have this to look out on. If you're looking for a very special outdoor living environment in a great location in the South Loop, you really have to see this penthouse. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.